Good morning, guys. Guys, you were both charged with criminal cases. Mr. Araujo, you were charged with public lewdness. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. And Ms. Serrato, you were charged with possession of marijuana. You are facing, and also public lewdness. You're facing up to a year in.
Welcome back to Court Watch. Today's docket is stacked with cases that range from outrageous to downright dangerous. We're kicking things off with not one, but two defendants caught in a compromising situation. Literally. Public lewdness, marijuana possession, and the unmistakable reminder from the judge. Maximum jail time is always on the table. But before you think this is just a petty slap on the wrist, things quickly escalate into something much darker. A terroristic threat, bond revocations, and even a case that ends with someone literally jumping off a balcony to escape officers. These aren't your everyday hearings. This is the kind of courtroom drama where second chances are thin and consequences come fast. Stick around, because you won't believe how some of these cases spiral out of control, and wait until you see how the judge balances punishment with rehabilitation. Let's dive in.
The co-defendant's genitals being removed from the defendant's lower body as he got off her as she was laid down in the back seat. The officer also detected a strong odor of marijuana emitting from the interior of the vehicle, and the defendant, Serrato, admitted to just having smoked along with being in possession of marijuana. She advised that all 7.6 grams of marijuana in the vehicle belonged to her, and the co-defendant stated he does not smoke marijuana. Both admitted to having sexual intercourse.
Got it. All right, guys, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case. I'm ordering you now as a condition of your bond not to do this again in outside. I mean, great, but not where everybody can see it. Come on. You understand?
Sure.
All right, guys. How old are you, Mr. Serrato or Mr. Araujo?
30.
You're 30. What do you do for a living?
Construction.
What kind of money do you make a month? Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer? How much money do you make a month? A month?
Oh, a month. Oh, 16, probably like 24 to 30. Like 3,000 probably.
Okay. Do you have children? All right. Well, we're going to reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer. Okay. I'm also ordering you as a condition of your bond not to use. No more marijuana. I'm telling you. Okay. Just don't. Also with you, no more marijuana. I'm finding probable cause in your case as well. You have the same conditions. No outside. You know what? No marijuana as well. What do you do for a living, babe? How much money do you make a month?
I don't know if I got those numbers. I'd like one check.
Where do you work?
I work at Memorial City Mall.
Okay. Where in Memorial City?
Store gas.
Guess? Okay. Would you like to fill out an application for an appointed lawyer?
Sorry?
Do you want to fill out an application for a court-appointed lawyer? Okay. I'll have you fill out an application. We're going to reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer. Do not leave until both of you sign our bond conditions, and then we'll have you go. Okay? So first, you're going to meet with Victoria. We're going to have you sign a reset, and then we'll have you both take a seat in the jury box, and then we'll excuse you here momentarily. All right? Please. Yes, on both of them, no marijuana, no fornicating out in public. No, you.
Ready?
You now have picked up a new case, Mr. Arispe. You now stand charged with terroristic threat or a family or a household member. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir.
Officer was dispatched to a residence in response to a family disturbance. The complainant, the defendant's stepmother, stated that the defendant was upset because he was owed money. The defendant told other members of the complainant's family, if they don't have my money by tonight, I'm going to kill them, as well as I'm going to send my people to shoot them up. The defendant also told the complainant directly, if you don't have my money by tonight, you are going to see. A family member of the defendant and complainant stated that he had seen the defendant walking around with a pistol in his pocket, and the complainant knows that the defendant owed several.
Did you hear that? The defendant threatened his own family with death if they didn't pay up. while he was already out on bond for a weapons charge. That's not just reckless, it's legally suicidal. The moment the judge hears about the new charge, boom, bond revoked, no hesitation. This is a critical teaching moment about the bond system. When you're released, you're essentially telling the court, I can be trusted. Pick up another violent charge, and you've burned that bridge instantly. Now here's the big question for you. Should the courts show leniency for people who slip up while out on bond? Or is this zero-tolerance approach the only way to protect the public? Drop your take in the comments. This one's going to divide opinions.
Order you now not to have any contact with these people. Do you understand?
Sir.
And I'm going to tell you, you pick up a third case, I'm going to go bonkers on the bonds. Do you understand?
Sir.
I'm going to do everything in my power to protect this public at all cost. All right, goes with you. Do you mind appointing him? No? Yeah, when we get a lawyer. We'll do it. Is it Ally? Mr. Alley, you're charged with interference with duties of a public servant. This case is now 378 days old. You have been given PR bond after PR bond.
I lost my papers at the court.
Stop. Please don't say anything. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. I don't think we've even done probable cause in this thing. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Good morning, Alex.
Good morning. On November 28, 2023, officer was dispatched to a meet firefighter response call and met with the defendant's mother, who reported to the fire department that she was pushed by her son. The complainant did not feel pain when she was pushed, and the officer was advised that the defendant was locked inside the bathroom. When the defendant walked out of the bathroom, he walked past the officer and stated that he was leaving. The officer grabbed the defendant by his right wrist to detain him for a family violence investigation, and he forcefully pulled his right arm away from the officer. A second officer pushed the defendant onto a bed to detain him, so the defendant sat up and stated, "I will punch you," and then swung at the second officer with a closed fist, but did not make contact. The defendant then ran out of the sliding glass patio door and onto a third floor balcony, where he jumped over the third floor balcony and fell to the ground below, got up and ran away. Approximately 15 minutes later, the defendant was located at a park inside the apartment complex, and the defendant was taken into custody.
All right, Mr. Alley, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with you. How old are you, sir?
21. Nah.
What do you do for a living?
Stay at home, food.
You here with anyone today? Are you here with anyone today?
Yes,
Coming up, Mom. Thank you so much for coming. It's okay. Thank you so much for coming. Tell me what's going on with Mr. Alley.
He's intellectual.
Shh.
He's as an intellectual, he's learning. He also has diagnosis.
Okay. Are you taking medication, Mr. Alley? Is he taking it? Are you sure?
I'm the one, is his caretaker, which is I take his medicine. I take him to a psychiatrist too. He goes, regular. Marquise, did you tell him that?
I don't know. He's going to have to remain silent.
We have a lot of problems. We can't get him to court. I'm here. I'm glad that you're here today, but it's the third time.
I had a reputation.
But I scored him, I really speaks for him on all his, as far as his diagnosis, everything that's going on with him. I mainly speaks for him because he can't speak for himself. So
Okay.
I'm the one talks for him.
Okay. Did you graduate from high school?
Yes.
Wonderful. So what are your plans now? Okay. Then what? Okay. I'll appoint you guys a lawyer today. The only thing
And there you have it. Today's docket ran the full spectrum of human behavior. From two adults who learned the hard way that public passion and marijuana don't mix, To a young man facing the brutal reality of what happens when threats and weapons collide with bond conditions, to defendants struggling with mental health and addiction, where the judge stepped in as both disciplinarian and problem solver. What stood out was the contrast. This court doesn't just punish, it also looks for ways to rehabilitate when possible. But make no mistake, repeat offenses and violent threats are where the mercy ends. So what's your take? Should judges lean harder on punishment, or keep balancing it with second chances and resources? If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns, because you won't want to miss what's coming next.
Test now, Mr. Ali. I'm telling you, no smoking marijuana. Do you understand?
Yeah.
If you do, we will have problems. It's okay. All I want you to know is that we're going to work on making you into the best person that you can. But that can't happen if you're smoking marijuana. It's absolutely no. Do you understand?
Yeah.
I'm going to send you for a drug test now. I want you to come back. If you come back, good things will happen. I promise. We're not here to hurt you. We're only here to help you and have a ton of resources for you. But you got to come back. That's how it works. Okay? All right. So what I'm going to have you do, guys, just hang tight, take a seat. I'm going to have you speak with Fleischer for a moment. We'll send you for a drug test and then come back. Okay?
Yeah.
I'm sending you for a drug test and then I'm going to have you come back.
Okay.
Take the test and come back. Do you have any questions? Okay. Mom, if you want to accompany him, that'd be great.
Yes, I am.
And then we'll just see you back here in maybe like
Make sure
30
you
minutes.
came today, so to see what's going.
Yeah,
and him.
take care of you. Don't worry, but just come back. We need you to come back, okay?
Okay.
Okay. All right. Please just have a seat, Mr. Allen.
Come on up, Mr. Come on up, sir.
We got him. I can't believe it. You're harder to catch than a leprechaun, man.
He's
For real.
been here for a minute, Judge.
This is the first time I've seen him in like 3 years.
Oh,
Well, maybe
well,
2.
he's been here since October.
How are you? You had cases, I guess, out of county. Was it Montgomery County or something like that?
Chambers.
Where was it? Chamber. Oh, ooh. Gotta be careful out there.
I know, they're going on the highway.
Give me the last name again, please.
Colbert,
That's right, Mr. Coleman.
and he's on today's docket, on the jail docket.
All right. So you just entered in these 2 probations.
Yes, sir.
Be very, very careful. Because there's only so many times that they're going to bend over to help you out before they send you to prison. So you have to have a halo on your head when you're on 2 felony probations, especially for this, what you got now.
Yes, sir.
It's not hard. If you're hanging around bad people, they're going to bring you down. It's just a matter of time. Just break away. Here you're charged with failure to identify oneself as a fugitive from justice. So it's a class A misdemeanor. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You guys have worked out an agreement. They're offering you 30 days in jail, credit for the 118 days that you've already done. This will go on your record. You need to understand from now on with us here in misdemeanor, any more cases that you ever pick up, you're looking at a minimum of 90 days in jail.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You give up a lot of rights by entering this agreement. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to test on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible, you can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, there's no turning back.
Sir.
This is what you want to do.
Sir.
How do you plead to the offense, sir? I'll find you guilty. I'll sentence you to 30 days in jail, give you credit for the 118. If it's enhanced, abandon, please. Good luck. Just follow the rules. And if you ever have any problems, go back to the court. You're in a friendly court. They'll help you out. No issues, ever. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Coleman.
Thank you. May we be excused?
Yes, ma'am. Basically, the deal is this, ma'am. We can't get a hold of your lawyer. We don't know where he is. We've been trying to get him for hours. He tested negative, which is great.
That's good news to hear.
So
I didn't know.
we're going to reset your case out, okay? We're going to give you paperwork to try to get a hold of the lawyer. We'll give you a couple weeks. If you're unable to get a hold of him, just let us know, okay? come back. Don't leave. Come back to court. Good things happen when you come back. Can you make sure that he comes back? This is the third time.
Oh, yes,
Please.
well, see, I didn't know about the other court because he'd been to court already.
We're going to give you the reset. That way you have it so you know when the next court
Right.
date is. Okay?
They said I got a feeling I cleared that.
Say it again.
They said I had a feeling I cleared that.
Yes, correct. Yeah. So we'll give you the reset. Just stay in touch. We'll try to get in touch with the lawyer. He's supposed to get a hold of you within 24 hours. If not, let us know and then we'll go further.
Okay.
Just stay in contact with the lawyer, okay? And take your medicine, Mr. Alley, okay? Okay, you guys have any questions?
Oh, let's see. You just come back for the court date and then,
Yeah, I guess I really don't want to talk to you without your lawyer. So the only thing, I guess, just we need him here and I just can't get a hold of him. So we'll reset your case and hopefully he'll reach out to you today so that we can try to come up with a game plan. Okay? If he doesn't get a hold of you, just let us know and we'll go from there, I guess.
all right.
Okay?
Judge, what's the age of the case?
No, they got to come back just 2 weeks.
I didn't realize.
Yeah.
Okay, 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. But come back. Come back. Okay? All right. Okay, guys. Thank you, Mom.
Okay.
Okay. Come on.
I'm coaching on Nicholas Holland, and basically, we're trying to see what we can get done here. I think there's a rec for inpatient. We're trying to see if you would accept any intensive outpatient. And either way, we're gonna have to, just get through the holidays and do something, but it's gonna be one of those two. And it's ultimately which one you'll kind of bless.
I don't know. Should we do a TRAS?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Holland, come up.
He did the TRS and the recommended
This is why we do this beforehand. You know what I mean?
What?
This, so we know exactly what to expect, Yeah. I don't know, Tad, why? I mean, we have you evaluated by clinicians for a reason. These people know what they're doing. They've done it 100 times. And they know the best way to move forward with the case. That's why we do it. I cannot tell you how many times we've done a TRAS, we've deviated from what they say, and then we end up in a worse position because something happens. Now, I know you're going to tell me everything is little bunnies jumping in the woods, but you can never anticipate in life what's going to happen. And the problem is how do you deal with the stressors that come in life? Because that's what really defines a person. We all have issues, we all have problems, and they always come at the worst time. But the most important thing is how do you deal with the stresses when they come? Do you turn destructive, self-destructive? Do you turn destructive in the public, right? Where you do something to endanger the public. That's why we have this. What they're suggesting is inpatient treatment.
Say it again?
I said, what they're suggesting is inpatient treatment.
Because you do have a job and
Yes, sir.
you have been working at this job for a while.
Yes, sir, for like a year and a half.
Right, you've been very successful at this job.
Yes, sir. I'm a supervisor.
Okay. And that's what I'm saying. Even before we've done these things, you're already starting to turn things around.
Yes, sir.
And that's the kind of stuff, tell the judge how you've been turning things around. He needs to hear something to make him think that maybe, at least make him consider, outpatient rather than inpatient. Tell him, how your life has changed in the last year and a half.
Okay. Well, after I got the scram bracelet that you put on me, I knew that I knew it was like over with the games, the BS and all that stuff. And I just had to do right and do what I'm supposed to do. And I started just doing better at work because I wasn't drinking alcohol no more. Started doing better at work. They moved me up to a supervisor.
That's wonderful.
Started letting me like manage money, invoices and stuff like that. And I just stopped hanging around the crowd of people that I was hanging around that go out and drink and party a lot. And I've just kind of been staying home or like hanging out with my mom more. And,
You know, my mom used to tell me, dime con quien andas y yo te digo quién eres. It means, tell me who you hang out with
yes, sir.
and I'll tell you who you are. And it's when you hang with dogs, you get fleas. Tad, let's do this.
Yes, sir.
Let me send him for a drug and alcohol test right now. Let's see. If he's clean, I'll acquiesce. But I'm going to tell you now, one problem, because I don't know, I'm not agreeing to this, but I will tell you that if we do go forward with this intensive outpatient treatment and you muck up, get ready, because I don't play.
That's fair.
So
Yes, sir.
let's send him, I'm going to send him now for a drug and alcohol test. If he's clean, I'm with you. But,
Yeah, thank you enough. That's more than fair.
okay, all
More
right,
than fair.
all right. So,
gonna be clean, right?
do this, Tad.
I know you will. I'll do.
Let me see if I have your cell phone so I can tell you when he comes back. Let me see.
Okay, and
I don't have, do you mind? Here, give me your cell phone real quick and then just hang tight. We're going to send you and then just come right back and then I'll text him and then we'll do everything.
Where do you want me to go to the jury box?
No, you can just sit out there. Sure, of course. This is your cell phone?
yes.
Okay, I'll text you when he comes back.
And then whatever we're gonna do, we'll just reset it and do it.
No, we'll do it today.
But if you're sitting in inpatient, can we get through the holiday?
I'm not going to agree. I don't know. Let's see first how he does.
Okay, well.
Let's just see.